Welcome to NorthStar. For cost estimation, simple regression differs from multiple regression in that simple regression uses only. So first it is talking about simple regression uses only. So in all the statement, first is for simple regression. Before going into the option, let us understand what are regression analysis. Under regression analysis, we have two regression. The first one is called simple regression analysis and the second one is called multiple regression analysis. Under both simple and multiple regression analysis, there is always going to be one dependent variable which is denoted as y. So here in simple as well as in multiple, there is only one dependent variable and y is equals to a plus bx, where bx is the dependent variable. Under simple regression analysis, there is always only one independent variable, whereas under multiple regression analysis, y, which is a dependent variable, is equals to a plus b1 x1 if there is only one independent variable. If there are more than one independent variable, then it will keep on continuing. Suppose there are two, so it will be b2 x2. If there are three, it will be plus b3 x3 till bn x1 xn. Alright, now let's look at options. One thing we have understood, in simple there is one independent variable, whereas in multiple there are more than one independent variable. Let's look at the option. Simple regression uses only one dependent variable, which is always the case. There is always one independent variable, not only in simple but also in multiple, while multiple regression uses all available data to estimate the cost function. Answer is no. This is an incorrect option. The first part of the option is only correct. Dependent variables, while multiple regression can use dependent and independent variables as well. Answer is no. This is also not a correct option. Option C says one independent variable, while multiple regression uses more than one independent variable. This option is a correct option. Like I said, it uses one independent variable, whereas it uses more than one independent variable. If you are getting confused with the question, at each option start reading from the first one, from here. It will resolve that confusion, or start reading from here. That simple regression uses only one independent variable, while multiple regression uses more than one independent variable. So the correct option is option number C. Let's look at the other option, option D. One dependent variable, while multiple regression uses more than one dependent variable. Whether it is a simple regression analysis or multiple regression analysis, dependent variable in both the cases are always going to be one. So option D is also an incorrect option. Thank you.